I think this might be a meteorite. A friend of mine gave this to me. He said he found it in the woods. It's shaped like an egg, but you can see those crystals in there. It's like little tiny crystals, got sharp corners, triangles. It's rounded, but it seems to be kind of melted on this end and not so much on this end. And so I'm thinking maybe it was coming through the atmosphere, maybe it is heating up on this side more than this side. I don't know. But it seems to me that it's probably a meteorite. If it's not, well, okay. But at least it was found and it's natural. It's very, very heavy. So I thought I'd sand down the end of this and make it flat and use it as a striker. I don't know if this is a meteorite or some kind of metal, but this is a very strong magnet, and this does nothing on this, but this magnet is very, 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 very strong, and it doesn't pull on this. This is not iron. So whatever this is, it's not iron. I don't think it can be iron, but it looks metallic. Looks like pure metal. So I don't know what this is. I thought maybe it was a meteorite, but I don't know if maybe it's some kind of melted down metal, but it's not, doesn't appear to be iron. This is too slick really to use as a hammerstone. Maybe it's a UFO metal. I hope this is not radioactive. So I put this on the belt sander again just for a little bit, just to see the inside, and it polishes so nicely. Very quickly it polishes. But on the inside it looks rough. Maybe it's meteorite, maybe it's not. I don't know. I won't be using it as a hammerstone. Maybe it's UFO metal. I hope it's not radioactive. If you think you know what this is, let me know. But I think I'll quit handling it since I don't know the origin of it. Someone found it and they gave it to me. It's a very heavy something. It's as heavy as iron, but I don't know what it is for sure. Polishes nicely, and when you polish it, looks like iron, but I don't know what it is.